If you want to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5 without any confusion, here's the simplest way to get everything connected properly. The process looks a little long at first, but once you follow the steps in order, it becomes extremely easy. Start by downloading MetaTrader 5. You can find it by searching online or visiting the official download page. If you're on a phone, just head to your app store and install it from there. After it installs, open the app and accept the terms so it can set itself up for the first time. If the app doesn't show any accounts yet, create a quick demo profile just to unlock the dashboard. Tap Open an account, enter your basic details like your name and phone number, and hit Register. This is only temporary. You'll connect your real Exness account shortly. Now, open your Exness app, go to your Accounts tab, tap the menu icon, and enter the Settings area. Scroll until you see the Trading Platform section and choose MetaTrader 5. This is where your server information appears. Copy the server name exactly as shown, because even a small change can prevent the login from working. Switch back to MetaTrader 5. Tap the menu button at the top and go into Manage Accounts. Hit the plus button to add a new account. In the search bar, type the server name you copied or search for the Exness server listed in your app. Select the exact match. Choose the option to log in to an existing account. Enter your Exness account number as the login and your trading password in the password field. Tap Login and MT5 will load your trading profile if the details match. Once everything goes through, your Exness account will appear inside MetaTrader 5 and you'll be fully connected. From here, you can place trades, monitor charts, adjust orders, and manage your positions directly inside the MT5 platform without needing to jump back and forth. Take a moment to confirm your balance displays correctly and your chart updates in real time. After that, you're all set and ready to trade smoothly from MetaTrader 5 using your Exness broker.